Hello everyone. Let's see how you can generate high quality print ready images for posters, banners and premium product displays. First, visit the website and navigate to the easy input section. In the instruction field, enter the following details. For the category, I'm writing a handbag. For the model type, I'm writing engine model. For the background type, I'm writing auxiliary city street. Upload your reference image. For better results, you can add additional instructions such as the model must wear a formal dress. Next, if needed, you can also select and include your brand logo. The most important step is to ensure that the image is suitable for printing. To do this, select Generate Photo Print Quality Size. This will create a high resolution print ready image. Now after filling the checkbox, click on Generate Image. Please note that processing may take a few extra seconds due to the high resolution. Once the process is complete, your premium print-ready image will be available for download and immediate use, perfect for elevating your brand across posters, banners, and high-end marketing materials. Click on the download and the image has been downloaded. Thanks for watching.